Xiaomi has just launched a new Mijia branded smart home appliance in the global market. The latest model is the Mijia Refrigerator Cross Door 502-liter that is now rolling out in more international markets after its initial release in select European regions. This fridge has a large capacity that combines versatile storage zones, smart connectivity, and much more. The Chinese tech giant's latest Mijia Refrigerator Cross Door 502L offers generous storage for families or larger households. With a total volume of 502L, which is split between multiple functional storage compartments, users get a 297L fridge section, a 176L freezer area, and a 29L iFresh convertible zone that can be set independently between approximately -1 degree Celsius and 5 degrees Celsius. This is ideal for keeping drinks, produce, and other perishable goods at optimum temperature without freezing them. The versatile design also makes the fridge suitable for a wide range of food storage needs, all while maintaining organization and easy access thanks to its cross-door layout. As a smart fridge, the Mijia 502L also integrated with the Xiaomi Home app, which allows users to adjust temperatures, switch modes, and monitor the fridge's status remotely. Buyers can get smart notifications to alert if the door is left open or when the unit receives an OTA update. It is compatible with smart voice assistants as well, like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant for hands-free operations. Other notable features include AgFresh antibacterial technology, various cooling modes, and a 90 degrees door opening design. Xiaomi launched the Mijia Cross Door 502L in the UK and Germany for around £799 and €849, respectively.